In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact GoDaddy support. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach a live agent through chat, starting from a simple web search, so you can get help with domains, hosting, billing, or account questions quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. Using a search engine is the fastest way to find the official GoDaddy site without memorizing any URLs. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the support chat loads smoothly later. Next, in the Google search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official GoDaddy website. It should clearly show the brand name and the correct domain. Clicking the official result helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you land on the secure site where support options are up to date for your region. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, sign in to your account. This step is important because agents can only discuss account-specific issues after verifying you. The sign-in option is typically at the top right of the page. Log in with your usual credentials, and if you have two-step verification enabled, complete that prompt as well. Being logged in can speed up the support process since your products and recent activity will be visible to the agent. After you're signed in, look at the top area of the page and click Contact Us. This takes you to the Central Help Hub. The page may automatically detect your location to show appropriate hours and support availability. If you don't immediately see Contact Us at the top, try briefly scrolling or checking the main navigation. It's commonly placed in the header for quick access. On the Contact Us page, select Chat Now. This opens the live chat window where you can connect with a support representative. Chat availability can vary by time and language, so if the button is momentarily unavailable, it typically becomes active again during posted hours. When the chat opens, start with a short, clear description of what you need, something like the domain name you're asking about, the product you're using, and the issue you're seeing. Having relevant details handy, such as order numbers or recent changes you made, will help the agent diagnose and resolve your request faster. That's all there is to it. Search for GoDaddy, open the official site, sign in, go to Contact Us, and click Chat Now. Follow these steps whenever you need quick, direct help from GoDaddy support team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the assistance you need without any hassle.